Good evening, everyone. This is Dollars Make Sense. I want to welcome you to my channel. I would like for you guys, those of you that are new to my channel, welcome. Just like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell if you guys are interested in getting notified whenever I upload a video. Now, I want to welcome you guys to part 4 of the video series here. I'm doing a video series on websites you can use to earn some extra cash. So that's websites you can use to earn some extra cash. And this is part 4 of that series. If you guys like the video so far, give this video a thumbs up and write in the description. You can write a comment below what you like about it and what you didn't like. If you guys want me to make more videos about these websites. Okay, so the first website we're going to get into is Flux Rewards. Okay, now Flux Rewards is a get paid to site. So far, we're talking about get paid to sites, GPT sites, basically the sites that you get paid to, take surveys, watch videos, do trial offers, search the web, stuff like that. Okay. So what I basically do on these sites is I do surveys. Like I said, I signed up on this site a long time ago. I have not even worked it yet. I haven't even bothered to sit on here and do anything with it because when I signed up, and that was it. And I made a video about it and left it at that. I didn't even leave my referral link in the description in the video I made the previous time. But this time I'm going to just give you guys a little insight on this video. And this website is, like I said, it's a good website. I heard good things about it, so I'm going to go ahead and get started here. Start making money from home. Register, complete offers, cash out. Flux Rewards is an online rewards site. Users can earn points and cash that can be converted into real-world money by completing tasks, including surveys, clicks, watching videos, sign-ups, offers, and inviting new members to join the site. There is no catch. Simply create an account, do some tasks, and withdraw your money in the forms of PayPal Cash or digital gift cards via Tango Card, okay? So down below, hold on, let me see something here. I don't see it. Okay. So down below we have some frequently asked questions here. So how much can I make from Flux Rewards? This can vary depending on which country you are coming from. On average, you can earn around $10 in an hour's worth of work. How do users get paid? Users can cash out their money via the means of PayPal, wire transfer, digital gift cards. When do users get paid? Depending on the age of the account, we pay our users as quickly as we possibly can. Rarely we take longer than 14 Rarely will we take longer than 14 days. How does Flux Rewards earn its money? We won't share all of it, but we earn most of our money from the networks which provide us with the offers that the users complete. We take a small percentage off of that to pay for the hosting, domain, and staff. So this is basically showing you how rewards work, how Flux Rewards works. Okay, so the cash out amount for Flux Rewards is $1. Okay, so that's one thing you guys need to know. The cash amount is $1. Okay, and you can earn that by watching videos, doing offers, completing trials, anything you guys can think of on here, you can do. Okay, referring people on here. Like I said, because I have not been on this site so much, I was not able to sign in to show you guys the site completely. But when I'm able to, I will come back and make another video. And at that time, I will have cashed out at least $1, and I will be able to show you guys payment proof. Okay, so basically, Flux Rewards, the minimum cash out amount is $1. Okay, so what we're gonna do right now is we are gonna go to Unique Rewards. Okay, so Unique Rewards is another great site. Another get paid to site. You just basically do the same exact thing. Remember what I said in my previous video, though. You need to clear the history, clear the cache, whatever you call it, before you go on to another get paid to site, because you might not be able to do the same thing on one site you did on another. That's something that I learned. But if you guys want to know more about Unique Rewards, let's watch a video here. So I don't know what you guys took from that video, but I thought it was really actually funny and, informative. It's basically saying that, sitting around the house doing nothing and you're broke, it's not going to get you anywhere. You have to actually put in the, if you have to you have to get a job. Basically, you got to put in the work to get the money that you need to take care of everything. If you have bills due, you need to make the money to pay those bills. So it's basically, letting you know that there's that sitting around doing nothing is not going to pay your bills, but if you actually you get up and do something about it, your bills will always be paid, okay? So a couple of things you can do on this site is completing offers and surveys, watching videos, listening to the radio, clicking ads, shopping online, reading emails. And the cash out for this site is $20, okay? So moving along here, that site was called Unique Rewards. So moving along, we're going to go to Influencers Earn, okay? So this is a site that you guys can just complete stuff, okay? Complete tasks, okay? So start watching your, excuse me. So let's see here, tasks and earn. Okay, so this is a nice site. I signed up to this site a while ago, and this is just what you guys can start doing. You can watch. It says fill in your details and confirm with a credit card. You earn $30 for doing that. Create an account, confirm a credit card, download your content, earn maybe $30. $30. You don't always have to use a credit card. This is just a sample. These are like email submits. Enter an email address. Just remember when you do email submits, to make sure every time you're done with that email submit, you clear the history before you do another email submit. So that way, you get credited properly. There's a ton of email submits on here you guys can do. There's mostly email submits on here that you guys will get most of your money from. Okay, so so let's look at the payments. Okay, so right now I have $25. Okay, so let's see here. Let's see where that's payments. Okay, my bad. So let's see. Sorry, let's go to cash out here. See how much I have to earn before I can cash out. So the minimum cash out is $250. Okay. Right now I only have $25. So you gotta have $250 to cash out. Now, I would do my research on this because I've seen a site exactly like this before and people were saying things about it that I don't believe. Like I said, I've not cashed out from this site yet, but I do believe that it is a legit site. So we're going to end the video here, and this is part 4 of websites you can use to earn some extra cash. Like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell for future videos. And I will see you guys in part 5.